Good evening and welcome to Defence Nexus.
Right now, a clip from the Dubai Air Show 2025 is going viral, showing India's LCA Tejas with a visible oil-like leak dripping from its airframe. Spectators recorded it, uploaded it, and the video has sparked a huge online debate. At the same event, the JF-17 Block 3 is also on display, with a well-organized professional setup. And because both aircraft share the same stage, comparisons have intensified quickly. In today's video, we'll explain what happened with Tejas, how the JF-17 presentation differs, and why the debate is exploding online. Make sure to watch till the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Dubai Air Show is one of the world's biggest aviation exhibitions. Both Pakistan and India frequently participate. The JF-17 Block 3 is here for the second time, and this appears to be Tejas' second appearance as well. Whenever PAF and IAF aircraft show up at the same event, comparisons naturally follow. And this year, one video became the spark. The circulating clip shows fluid leaking from Tejas' airframe ground crew. Before discussing the leak, one basic point. At an international air show, you must bring complete maintenance equipment and display your aircraft professionally, especially if you're pitching it for export. But in Tejas' case, the maintenance setup looks incomplete. Even its display lacks a weapons package. For a program India is promoting for international buyers, the presentation does not reflect seriousness. When leaks occur, trained crews use proper oil trays. For example, the JF-17 is shown with an oil tray neatly placed underneath it, reflecting preparedness and professional maintenance standards. With Tejas, this readiness wasn't visible, which is why the debate escalated. Pakistanis began mocking. Some Indians admitted the mistakes, while others launched counter-propaganda against the JF-17 Block 3. What's happening to Tejas now is exactly what India used to do to the JF-17. Indian media spent years claiming Myanmar grounded its fleet, 50% of PAF's JF-17s were grounded airframe cracks and maintenance issues. All of this was baseless, yet pushed aggressively, even after Block 3 introduced real 4.5 gene capabilities. The propaganda continued, from PL-15 to production rate narratives. So today's mockery of Tejas is simply a reaction to years of Indian propaganda. The difference is, Tejas' situation has actual visual evidence. No aircraft is inherently bad. What matters is how you employ it, and maturity comes with time. But events like the Dubai Air Show are about optics.